Hello guys, this is Shubham Agrawal, and in this video I'll discuss a new niche on YouTube that is growing explosively these days, and that is of like comic books niche. So I have this channel in front of you that is like Comics Unlocked. As you can see, this channel was started on 10th April of this year 2023, and it has amassed a lot of views. As you can see, it primarily releases shorts videos, as you can see like this, but it has also released long form videos. Now let me take you over to like Social Blade, where you can check the stats for this channel. The monthly estimated revenue as per Social Blade is 9k to 145k per month. So obviously this can be inflated, but it's still whatever this channel earns is a good decent chunk of money. In the last 30 days, this channel managed to get 36 million views, which is really good. So how do you make videos like this channel does? No, obviously this channel requires a lot of hard work in making. I personally have tried making one similar channel in comic book niche, and so far I've amassed like 1700 subscribers. I will show you my results in the end. Okay, so to get your hands on a comic, you can either take a proper subscription of Marvel or a DC, or if you are like short on money, you can just go to Google and click on read comic online. So this website will come up. Just click on this one. Okay, now you come up. Now all you need to do is search for any comic book that you're trying to review in your short or a long form video. Okay, so let me just say I'm trying to search for any Spider-Man comic. So whichever comic that you like, you can just select that comic and say I'm selecting this comic. Okay, this is like Spider-Man back in black comic issue. It was a really good issue back in 2006, I guess, whenever it was released. So all you need to do is just read it. Say suppose once you go ahead and read this whole comic. Okay, obviously I'm not saying this is going to be easy. This is actually a longer comic. You can pick up a shorter one, okay, whichever like fulfills your purpose, and read it and write a gist of it, like this one. Like I was about to make a new video on my channel, so I just wrote whatever I found and I just wrote it in my own words. Now obviously you can use a voiceover in form of your own voice, or you can use 11 labs. I am assuming that you know 11 labs. Okay, so if you don't know, just head over to Google and just let the like voiceover could be done by 11 labs. Sign up for a free account and you get 10,000 monthly characters. Okay, you can try using that, or you can hire a voiceover narrator and whatnot. So once you have read this like comic, now what you need to do is click on print screen, take a screenshot. Okay, so suppose I click here and this you take a screenshot of the scene, and as your story progresses you need to take screenshots by screenshots of different scenes that you find interesting. Okay, so let me just show you what I did recently. CapCut, let me just show you one of my recent projects, how I just went about creating it. We'll let it open. So once you have this gist, just copy this gist and take it over to 11 labs and paste it here. Okay, once you paste it here, and you can generate your voice as per using the voice as of your choice. Okay, this CapCut is taking a little too long. Let me just open it. It has opened. Let me just cross it. Let me just show you one of my maybe this one. So you can see this one. Okay, let me just play it.
Dr. Doom kills criminals. The story is a part of infamous Iron Man series where reformed Dr. Doom takes on the underworld. The story starts when top-tier criminals meet and discuss that Victor Von Doom has gone straight. They crap their pants knowing that Doom has all his tech, all of Stark's tech, and he has his black magic hoodoo. Plus, he is picking them off so easily because Doom knew a lot of their secrets. It is their worst nightmare. One of them is leaving the country. They ultimately decide to take down Doom themselves, thinking that nobody would dare mess with them once they kill Dr. Doom. But suddenly, Doom enters the room blasting off the roof. They all start firing at Doom. But this is Sigma Chad Doom we're talking about. Your boy moped that floor with all of them. Doom knew all big league criminals would be there. He knew exactly what he needed to do and took them all one by one mercilessly. Doom allows one to escape, to tell others to fall in line or face wrath of Doom. Subscribe for more Doom badassery.
So as you can see, this was like this. It was a good video. There was one mistake that I did in this video that I want to like wear you off. Like I want to like make sure that you guys don't repeat that mistake, which was like let me just show you if I can get. You need to hide these dialog boxes. As you can see, these dialog boxes, make sure you cover them up. I will show you how. Just let me find a good one where I can actually show you. Yeah, in this video, as you can see, all these dialog boxes were there. I actually went ahead of opened those screenshots in Paint or Photoshop and actually removed those took white paint and just covered that those dialog boxes. This way, like it was clean, so it will prevent you from any copyright strike also. If you want to see this video, let me just show you this video also. See how it goes.
Deadpool kills Spider-Man. The narrative unfolds as Deadpool finds himself admitted to a psychiatric hospital by the X-Men for treatment. Assigned to therapy with Dr. Brighton, Deadpool is criticized for being an inefficient killer, prompting the mention of Psycho Man as a potential solution. Following an experimental procedure, Deadpool loses control, resulting in a deadly rampage that claims the lives of everyone in the lab. Driven by this newfound aggression, Deadpool sets his sights on Spider-Man. In a tense encounter, Deadpool seizes Spider-Man's leg, poised to strike with his sword, but Spider-Man deftly evades the attack. A swift maneuver sends Deadpool crashing to the ground, injuring his head. Seizing the opportunity, Spider-Man grabs Deadpool's collar, cautioning him against threats. In a surprising turn, Deadpool responds, "I'm not going to gut you!" only to swiftly draw his gun and fatally shoot Spider-Man in the head. The lifeless form of Spider-Man crumples to the ground. For more comic book stories, please be sure to subscribe.
So as you can see, I have done a lot of hard work in this channel. Now let me just show you my results. Like obviously for the past few days I'm not getting time to work on this channel, but I've still amassed 1708 subscribers. As you can see, 8000 watch time hours. It's mostly of shorts, so that is why this channel is not yet monetized, but still, like, this is something going here in this channel. Let me show you my results. Let me just go to content, and as you can see, the most watched video of this channel has got like 367,000 views, 138 comments, which is good, and the second best is like 33,000. So yeah, it took me, I started it in like I guess June. As you can see, I have like 81 videos on this channel. So yeah, it's good. Now I'm trying to transition to long form content. Some of my views on long form content has been half decent, I won't say best, but the retention is good on long form videos. As far as I can tell, the retention, like on a make money channel, the retention is poor as compared to this channel, where viewer is eager to watch what happens in the story. So if you can make it work, obviously there's hard work in this. I am not outsourcing it to anyone, that is why it is a little slow on my end, but it can still work, and I'm trying to push it, and I've just showed you how to go about doing it. Obviously, like, you need to take out 1 or 2 hours every day to make a short or maybe a long form video, whichever is your choice. You can start with a few shorts, gain some momentum, and then you can transition to long form content, because there is the real money to be made. And as you can see, this channel is like an epitome. I have seen this channel from 50k subscribers. It has gained upward of 200 subscribers, 200k subscribers more in just a span of 60 or 90 days. So this channel is going strong, and if this channel starts transitioning to long form video, this channel is going to make killing. Currently it only posts shorts, which is fine, I guess, but this is also a niche that is worth exploring. So this was the video, guys. Once again, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.